Hello, my name is Steffan and my pillar is collaborative. I publish a lot of my work under the name Penglog, which means skull in Welsh. I make it kind of a hybrid of things, collage stuff and graphic design stuff. It kind of goes hand in hand. Collaboration is really attractive to me. I learn a lot from it and it helps broaden my practice. Processes I'm using are going to be digital and handmade and constantly switching from one to another. First I'll be collecting images and then I'll be printing them, scanning them and then distorting them digitally and then collaging them. What I'll be doing then is taking these images to a workshop and getting extra voices involved in the physical pieces themselves, and then again probably distort them digitally or scan them in and play around with them again. So it's a lot of kind of going from one thing to another, playing around constantly. Because of the nature of the project, we kind of have an uncalculatable amount of people involved, because you can count 20 plus people that have sent some stuff in from the open call. You can count the amount of people taking part in the workshop, but then you start adding onto this, the people that have printed these things off, the people that might have taken these photos that we've found, the people that might have written some stuff that'll go into the work. It does grow and grow and grow the more you think about it. And I think that's a really fun and exciting part of the project.